Hello students, welcome to my channel. In my today's class, I am just continuing algebraic expressions chapter. In that, special product, already you learnt monomial by monomial, monomial by binomial and also binomial by binomial. Today we are learning some special product. In that special product, some identities are there, very important identities. First we learn those identities and then those identities we learn by the special product. They are the special product and then those identities even with the examples. The examples what we are taking here to make you to understand, those all are from the exercise 2.4. If you observe, you will understand that. So, now let us start the special product. In that, the first identity we learn, very important, that is x plus a into x plus b. See here students, this is an identity. What is an identity? An identity is an equality. It is an equality which remains same for all the values of the variable. Okay, this is what identity. Identity is an equality. So now see here, the first identity we learn x plus a into x plus b. See here, this is binomial by binomial by. Here there are two terms, x plus a, two terms are there. This is one binomial, x plus b. This is one binomial. Now we find the product of these two by binomial by binomial method what we followed now in the last exercise, that we follow now. See here what we have done there. Any one of these two brackets we will write two times. Okay. First we will write this x plus a, x plus a. Okay. Then we split the second bracket. What is that? X plus b is there, no? Just we split it. Splitting how? First term we will take just behind the first bracket. Then second term along with the sign we will take behind the second bracket. Now you know how to do. See here, this is monomial by binomial. X into x, x square plus x into a. We will write ax. Because in the commutative property, xa is equal to ax, ab is equal to ba. So that property we are using here. So x into a is xa. Instead of xa, I will write ax plus b into x is bx plus b into a is ab. See here students, very important, learn properly. Then see x square, ax and bx, which is common here, x is common, so plus a will take here plus b will take here, but x is common for these both, no? We will write just outside the bracket. Then plus ab. Now we got the product of these two, binomial by binomial method. Now this is an identity, very important, that is x plus a into x plus b. This is an identity, very important. You have to remember this. This is an identity. What it is identity? Just we will take one value for x. Suppose if I take x equal to 3 and a equal to 2, b equal to 1. What happens? What is here LHS? This is LHS, this is RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Now we will see x plus a into x plus b. In place of x, what we have to put here? 3 plus, in place of a we have to write 2. Now here in place of x 3 plus in place of b 1. Now first we will see LHS, then we will see the RHS. Now see 3 plus 2 is 5, bracket 3 plus 1 is 4, bracket means what? Multiplication, 5 4s are 20. Let us see now the RHS. RHS. What is RHS here? X square plus A plus B into bracket X plus AB. What is X here? X is 3 square plus what is A? A is 2. What is B? B is 1 into bracket X means 3 plus 2 into 1. See here, 3 square means 9 plus 2 plus 3 is 3. 3 as it is plus 2 ones are 2. 9 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 2 is 20. Now you observe LHS equal to RHS. This implies that LHS equal to RHS. This is an identity. Now today we are learning 4 identities. All the 4 identities will be the same. Identity is nothing but it is an equality of the given values. In that we will find LHS and RHS, both will be the same. Now the first identity, what it is? X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B into bracket X plus AB is first identity. Very very important. Now I will take one example for this. X plus A into X plus B from your exercise 2.4. In that second one I take 3t plus example 3t plus 1, 3t plus 4, 3t plus 4. Using the identity, solve this. How to do? See here. First we have to write what is X, what is A, what is B. That is important here. See here. X is equal to solution. X is equal to 3t, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4. X plus A, X plus B. Then what is there in place of X? 3t. What is there in place of A here? 1. What is there in place of B? 4. So now we will write the identity. See, X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B into bracket X plus AB. Now in place of X what it is? 3t plus 1, 3t plus 4 is equal to, in place of X, 3t whole square plus, in place of A what it is? 1 plus 4 into bracket 3t plus 1 into 4. So 3t, 3 square means 9, t square means 9t square plus 1 plus 4 is 5 into bracket 3t plus 1 4 is 4. Now 9t square plus 5 3 is 15t plus 4. Therefore 3t plus 1, 3t plus 4 is equal to 9t square plus 15t plus 4. This is what? Find the product of these two using the identity X plus A into X plus B. This is what? The first identity. The same kind. Just one example I solved from the exercise 2.4 from the first main. Okay students, even this identity X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B into bracket X plus AB. This identity is also useful to find the product of this kind of numbers also. See what kind of numbers? 53 into 55. How to solve? See, very easy. This is equal to 53 can be written as 50 plus 3 into 55 can be written as 50 plus 5. Here one thing you have to observe. See, X plus A, X plus B. That means in both the brackets, first term should be same because X is there in both. So like that here 50, 50. Here A, B. Now what we have to write here? In this case, X is equal to 50. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. Therefore, x plus A, x plus B is equal to x square plus A plus B into bracket x plus AB. Now what is there in place of x? 50 plus 3. Here 50 plus 5 is equal to x square means what? 50 square plus A means what? 3. B means 5. Here 50 plus AB. Now 50 square means 2500 plus 3 plus 5 is 8 into 50 plus, sorry here not AB, what I must write here, 3 into 5 I have to write, 3 5s are 15. So 2500 plus 400, 58 is a 400 plus 15. See, 2500 plus 400, 2900 plus 15, 2915. 2915 is the answer. Therefore, 50 plus 3, 50 plus 5 is equal to 2915. Therefore, 53 into 55 is equal to 2915. This is what? Finding the product of two numbers, like this two numbers, in using the identity x plus A and x plus B. Okay students, let me start the second identity, that is A plus B whole square. Okay students, let me start the second identity, that is A plus B whole square. See students, you know A plus B whole square means what? A plus B into A plus B. Suppose if there is x square means how do you write? X into x. Suppose y square means how do you write? Y into y. Same way here, A plus B whole square means A plus B into A plus B. A bracket means it shows into. So now A plus B into A plus B is nothing but it is binomial by binomial. Again, thus in the same way, we find out the product of these two. We get the identity A plus B whole square is equal to what? See now. Again same method we follow, that is any one of the bracket we have to write 2 times. Okay. Then one bracket you have to split any one of the bracket, the first term behind the first bracket, second term along with the sign you have to write behind the second bracket. Now see here, this is monomial by binomial. A into A square plus A into B, AB plus B into A, BA. It is actually, I will write here AB. Why? BA is equal to AB according to the commutative property. So BA, this is AB I am writing, plus B into B, B square. See here children, observe here, AB plus AB, like terms can be added. So see here, A square plus AB plus AB is 2AB plus B square. This is what? A plus B whole square is equal to, this is the second identity. Very very important, you have to remember it. So the first one what we have learnt, x plus A into x plus B is equal to x square plus A plus B into bracket x plus AB. The second identity, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now what kind of problems will come to solve you using this identity? We will see now. The first one is from your exercise I am taking, that is 3x plus 2y. Example, 3x plus 2y whole square. Find the product using the identity. Okay. Now what we have to do? We know already the identity. No need to do like this. Directly we will write. In this what it is? A is equal to 3x. B is equal to 2y. Therefore, A plus B whole square is equal to what it is? A square plus 2AB plus B square. In place of A what it is? 3x plus 2y whole square is equal to 3x whole square plus 2 into bracket. What is A? 3x. What is B? 2y plus 2y whole square. Now 3x whole square means 3 square means 9, x square means x square plus, now 2 you keep as it is, 3 2s are 6, x into y, xy. In the bracket you have to keep because still you have to multiply this 2. First you have to multiply this 2, keep 2 as it is plus 4y square. Next see here 9x square plus 2 6s are 12xy plus 4y square. This is what product of 3x plus 2y whole square using the identity a plus b whole square. So in this way we are having the problems to solve. Just one is a, another one is b whole square. Directly we have to write the identity. According to the just identity we have to go on simplifying it. In the same way we will get even the numeral problems. Just now I solved, no? That is 34 square. How to find out 34 square using this identity? See here 34 can be written as 30 plus 4 whole square. This is nothing but 34 whole square means a plus b whole square. Every time you have to write the identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here what is a? 30 plus 4 whole square is equal to a square means 30 square plus 2, a means 30, b means 4 plus 4 square. 30 square means 900 plus 2 30s are 60, 64s are 240 plus 4 square means 16. 900 plus 240, 1140 plus 16, 1156. 900 plus 240, 1156. Okay, correct. Therefore, 34 whole square is equal to 1156. Like this we are using the identities even to find the product of the given numbers. Now just I have found out the square of 34 using the identity a plus b whole square. This is what the second identity. Now third and fourth also I am doing now in the part 2.